All right, and here, and then, okay, so now it's 4 o'clock. We'll go ahead and begin our class on time. Okay, let me just adjust my camera's position. All right. Okay, so today, we have two, like what we call like warm up. First, we're gonna go over the homework as we did last time, and then we're gonna go, and then we're gonna play a Kahoot that made by other people. Maybe play Kahoot gonna be something we're gonna do in class starting today, but well, we're just gonna do it. And then the fun thing is for Kahoot, I'm gonna play this with you since I never see a question before. I just decide to play this Kahoot right before the class. It's gonna be interesting to see the result. But anyway, let's go started. Let's go start by starting with talking about the homework. By talking about the homework. And then let me just create a file called the solution.py. And then here I will paste, so I'm gonna share my solution just a little bit, but does anybody want to share their solution to the assignment that I give you this last week, which is differences between lists?
I can.
Okay, all right. Yeah,
Okay.
then you can share your screen. Actually, wait. Now I can share your screen.
All right, hold on. I couldn't figure out how to like see my score. I wasn't able to.
Okay, so scroll up. Scroll up. Click on actions. Actually, let's see. Could you scroll up again? Go to code. Ooh, this is weird. The repository don't have the score and then okay. Okay, this is weird. Maybe okay. I don't know why this happens, but okay. Then you cannot see the score because it doesn't. It won't even run the test for some reason. Okay. All right. Well, could you just click on list.py and then talk about your solution then? Don't worry about it because sometimes GitHub's a little bit weird. All right. Do you want to talk about your solution?
No. Well,
Like,
I just have a solution.
Okay, how do you get your solution? Do you want to explain it? What does it do briefly?
Well, I used some like resources to help me.
Okay. All right. Okay, so then we'll go ahead briefly talk about what you are doing here. Okay, well, that's your code.
Oh wait, did you check?
Could you paste your code in the chat? I want to run your code and see would it work.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Need
Sure. Could you just could you copy your code and send to the chat and run your code?
yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right. So while we're waiting, okay, there it is. So we're gonna need to go ahead and take a look at this arena solution to this assignment. It's really similar to mine. So Rena, do you want to explain what are you doing here briefly? Rena, do you want to explain what are you doing here briefly?
Okay, so I defined a function.
Okay. Yep, you define the function.
And then I made the like list 1 and list 2. I put them as my argument, and then I made them some sets, and then set 1 minus set 2. So all the stuff that's in set 1 but not in set 2, and then list whatever those two arguments are called. So list 2 and was minus list 1, which is the stuff in list 2 but not in list 1, and then you add them together, and then you make that new list, and then you sort them from smallest to biggest, and then.
Okay, all right, sweet. Looks your solution is really similar to mine, so suppose it's going to work. Did you come up with the solution on your own?
No.
Okay, I didn't really hear that, but okay, anyway. Great job on completing the assignment. All right, we're gonna take a look at Andrew's code. Let me go ahead and see if we can run this. Let's see. Should be fine or not. Okay. All right, apparently there are some syntax here for some reason.
I worked on my replit.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess I would just go out and just explain this a little bit to all of you then. So basically what happened here is, okay, so first we got a new list. So this may be like your solution, at least before sorted. So solution. So this is where like all the lists gonna get appended. So first thing that she did, first thing Andrew did is loops through the first list, and then it checks whether it checks the element is in this B list or not. If it's in the B list, then it doesn't append anything, but if it's not, then it's just going to append, which recall from last time, it means you're going to add this to the list. And then here we also have from elements in B, if elements not in A. So it's basically the same thing. But it's basically instead of checking if elements in A is in B, it's checking elements in B is it in A or not, append it. And then finally, this new list should contain everything you have. And then as always, so this is a function which you should do is instead of, you can print if you want to, but at the end you must add a return in order to let the testing functionality works. But since you didn't have the action for some reason, so whether you add this on matter that much. I think your code should be working. Great job. And yeah, you did use my function name, so that's great. You can create other function name. If you create other function name, it won't work when you test it out. All right, great. Let me go ahead and take a look. This solution. Sorry, solution. Copy and paste. 1 second. All right. So, Saurice, do you want to explain this a little bit briefly? Do you want to try to explain your code, see what your thought process is?
So I first combined the A and B, and then I looped it so that it goes through every one of those numbers, and then I sorted it. I sorted it using the d.sort function, and then I printed it.
Okay. All right, nice. So it seems like you have a nested loop. Yeah. So you have a counter variable. I'm not sure what this counter variable is. Okay, this counter variables. Oh, you're just checking the count. Okay. So like, does it exist in the B list or not? Okay. So you chain it together. Okay. Looks like it's also gonna work. And then yeah, I think it's gonna work as well. Since you have Nessie set up, I guess we're just gonna run your function and see would it work. Let's see. So let's just go run your function Python solution.py. Yep, indeed. Actually, there's something wrong. Your code you didn't exactly see what we exactly wanted. Just 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 instead of 1, 3, 5, 8, 10. So so because notice that we have 4 in here, so maybe there's
The
some.
list was different. I put the list on the bottom. The list was different. There's 2 ones on the bottom list.
Oh, okay. So, okay. Okay. All right. Well, for the simplicity of checking purpose, I guess I will just paste my list in. Thanks for letting me know. I didn't actually realize that because my chat windows there. That's my best. Thanks for letting me know. Let's see. Let's go run this again, see would it work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Yeah, I think 6. Okay, maybe. All right, good. Good. I think. This is really weird, but okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, seems your code is working. I think maybe my solution has something wrong, but okay, your code is working. All right, great job. Okay, so great job. Thanks for sharing your code. I guess I'll go talk about my solution then. My solution is pretty simple.
Complicated? Oh, simple. I tried to guess what you were going to say before you, so I thought it was going to be like complicated.
Okay. Okay, it's not gonna be complicated, but if we just take a look, not sure why there's something wrong with this example. Okay, for some reason 6 is not in the list. But okay, let's just take a look. My solution. Okay, so you can see I did basically the same thing as Rena did, I think. Basically, I subtracted 2 lists, first chain them to a set, and then chain them. So basically, we did 2 ways. So first, we use list 1, subtract by list 2, then use list 2, subtract by list 1, then we add them together. So it's basically roughly the same thing. Okay, so that's great. Great job for completing this assignment. We're gonna have another assignment for this week. We're just going to create your own Hangman game. So I think that's gonna be a somewhat a little bit more interesting assignment to do. And then this time, since GitHub actually gonna cost money when we run sometimes. Since now the GitHub just sent me a warning, since we run like too much tests, that it's almost reach our entire free tire amount. So I'm just gonna switch into me for manually checking your guys' code. So after you finish the Hangman game, just send me the Python script to my email. The detail I'll be sending in the website, which are gonna be updated today, hopefully. And then we'll talk about roughly at the end of the class about more detail on create your own command line Hangman game. Okay.
I think you posted like that. I think I saw you post a Hangman video.
Okay. Well, if you just observe, okay.
I didn't watch it. I just saw that you posted it. So
yeah, yeah, I know. I probably shouldn't do that. I probably should publish it after you guys finished it. But that's a solution. That's complete the solution. For the don't send to anybody. Okay, don't send to anybody. I really recommend you guys to try it on your own first. See if you guys can come with different solutions, because that's really what programming about. There's really not just one solution. It really depends on you decide what kind of solution you came up with. Some solution writing less line of code. Some solution are faster.
Wait, what are we doing?
We're just playing a Kahoot game.
Oh, just wait.
Can you wait? Can you wait? I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Oh
because
wait, can you copy and paste the pin inside the chat?
Okay, so that's really 7-digit, but I guess it's fine.
Wait, I'm not there yet.
Okay, I'm not gonna like begin this like immediately, so you have your time. I need to join as well because I want to play. Since I didn't actually see the question.
119.
All right, since I don't know the question, just find it randomly on the Kahoot internet. So I will go ahead and join as well. All right, code is.
Wait. I am in.
Great. All right. Great. So we're gonna wait for a while.
Also,
All right, there we go.
I just have a question. Your video is real. Your share screen is really laggy.
I
So
know.
you should stop your video.
Does that okay?
It helps.
Is that gonna help? I'm not sure. Okay.
It helps.
I think it helped. Then great. All right. All right. I'm just gonna type the pin number, and then I'm gonna join as well. All right. Okay. Let's see. Is everybody in yet? Do we need 4 more people to join? All right, gonna begin with 20-second countdown then. 20. Yeah, you can go ahead and count.
10, 9, 8.
All right, it's from
7,
20-second to 10-second countdown. I guess it's fine.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You're an idiot.
Don't say that, please. But okay. Let's see. All right, we got 15 questions. It's gonna be embarrassing if I miss any of these 15 questions. Because
Oh, I think I did it wrong. I'm not sure I got it correct.
I missed the first question.
I got it right. It was a
God.
variable. It was a variable.
Oh my God, I missed the first question. Great. I'm off a rocky start. Yeah.
I'm off to a great start.
Okay. My bad. I'm like, I didn't read the question. I'm like, is input a string, function, or variable? I'm like, obviously it's a function. Yes, my name is a variable.
It's a variable.
It's a
variable because you put how I solved it is just I looked at the input. For variables, you have to input something in order for the variable to work.
Yep. So this is an input function. My name is indeed a variable.
So my name can equal input parentheses like Bowen, Bowen. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
I mean, my name is going to be whatever user's input is. All right. Well, off to a great start. Matt,
off to a great start.
Have a great start for me. All right. Going to clear the screen.
What would the outcome of this program be?
This is math. This is math. You have to be good at
programming is math at the end of the day, okay?
Oh, yeah.
I think I know what it is, but I don't. Dang it! It's wait, what?
Wait, what? Why is it 38?
What?
I thought there was an wait, can you listen to me? I thought there would be an error in the code, so I just put green, like nothing, it won't run due to the errors in the code. Or I would have put 50.
Okay. It's literally
alteration.
I remember you start counting at 0. You start counting at 0.
It's
so number 1
would
would
simple
be
math
2.
question. It's
Oh,
a simple.
remember-
Oh my
order
god!
of
It's,
operations.
You
It's
guys
order of
remember
operations.
Operations. Wait,
oh my god!
three-
It's simple math question, you guys. Okay.
Oh, 7 times 5 is dang it. 35 plus.
It's 38 now. Now you guys understand now, right?
I need to get a scientific calculator.
No, I mean, probably it's too late because that's probably the only question that's related to calculation. I mean, I don't know, but
Dang it, I'm in 16. I'm in 6th place.
great teacher comes up, which is me. All right, unnamed math calculus 3 teachers tortoise. Okay, great.
Tortoise.
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 Okay. What command would display hello world on the screen?
I don't know. This one. Print equal hello world.
Ha 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 ha.
That
Ha
is-
ha 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 ha. I think I got it wrong. Okay, that was cringe. Okay, sorry.
I got it.
You know, I
finally
actually got
something.
it right.
I
Great.
actually tricked 2 people. Oh my goodness.
What
You tricked
is
to-
this option though?
You tricked 2 people. Imposter. We have an imposter in the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
All right.
and you know what? I'm in 5th place.
Oh,
Right.
good for you. Oh.
Wait,
So-
Ethan.
What?
You're an crewmate. There's one imposter among us.
Okay. All right, we'll talk
Oh.
about that later. We'll talk about that later.
Crewmate, there's one imposter among us.
Okay, we'll talk about that later. But for those people who want to choose green, I can technically count you as correct as well because green is correct. Because in older Python version, for some function like print, you don't need parentheses. But for Python 3, because we have prior Python version, Python 2, green gonna work. But for Python 3, red going to work. So these are just some different Python versions that we need to worry about. I think everything gonna be written in Python 3. So yeah, so basically it's whatever we are learning right now because that's Python 3. All right, Sophie's the highest climber. Great job. Okay, whoever, oh my God, I have to beat Untitled.
So teacher, the teacher has become the student.
Yeah, what effect does a hash mark? Oh, this is.
What?
I talked about this.
Oh, okay. I think it is.
Talked about this.
Oh, mayday. Dang it, I'm going down.
It tells Python that's a very important line of code.
Dang it.
Is hashtag, aka this is called comment.
I knew it. I misclicked. I knew it.
Comment.
Why do you always
Okay.
misclick Kessler?
Comment is
I
basically
misclicked.
means
Okay, I
Ignore.
need to show you how sweaty my hands are. Wait, I need to show you how sweaty my hands are.
okay. All right, you can show us.
They're wait, dang it.
I can't see your hand. Sorry.
Look, I'm supposed to be really sweaty because if I miss any question, which I already missed one, then I don't care anymore. But it's gonna be embarrassing if I miss any of these questions, which I already missed one. But okay, let's keep going.
Yeah,
Hashtag is comment. Oh yes, I'm the first place now. Great.
it would be funny if the teacher became last.
What does input do?
It allows users to solve a task.
Wait,
It does
is this
kind of
Among
bit.
Us? Is this really? Is this Among Us?
This is Among
Us. Are we crewmates?
Yes, we're
You put too
crewmates.
much
Who's the
among us.
imposter? Who's the imposter over here?
Crewmate. There's one imposter among us. Wait.
I'm the imposter from the teacher.
Wait
I'm
a
the
minute.
I'm the
It's Andrew. Andrew, he has
Okay.
a fat cat picture.
Okay. All right. We'll talk about that later. All right. So
And
let me
wait,
just.
somebody actually fell for it. Somebody actually says it allows the users to solve a task. Well,
Oh my
it's
God.
really Among Us now.
Okay. The input.
Among Us.
The input allowed the user to input data. It won't convert the data type at all. Input is a function, but input doesn't convert data type. Input allow user to change program. I don't even get what is green means. It allows you to solve a task where if you are like a calculator, but reverse calculator, basically the computer asks you a question, you have to be the calculator. I mean, that does kind of make sense, and you can use the input function. But mainly, the best response is still red. It allows user to type data.
I'm just saying, I'm just saying we already talked about variables. Variables that allows us to enter data. Yes.
Yeah. Variable don't allow us input that.
Calculus 3.
Unless you're talking about assigning value to.
Me. Who's me?
Who's me? Me. Me is me.
All right, which comment will correct the user their age?
Oh darn! I did the wrong thing.
This is a tricky question.
Guys, it's red.
It's really tricky.
Red.
Not red.
No, it's not red.
Yes, it is.
Wait.
Good job.
I thought I misclicked, but I actually solved it. Yes.
All right. The most common the choice is obviously this. It's obviously these two choice, green and blue. These are like really commonly can see it's like
I'm just saying
After I clicked it, I realized I was wrong. I'm like, darn it!
Yeah.
What?
The quotation mark matters. Okay.
Ethan, I was actually the opposite of you. I misclicked, but I thought it was wrong, but I actually got it right.
Yeah. All right.
So-
Green.
So we have there's a thing called polar opposites.
All right. Well, that's some fancy science one right there. All right. Green is correct.
Go green. No, actually go
Oh.
gold.
Okay, raise your hand on the participants if your favorite color is green. Yep, I'm the only one.
All right. Congratulations to Gatlin P. Which
I
is
am Gatlin P.
You're the levels.
I am
number
Gatlin
3.
P.
The teacher is still on top.
Right, up 3 places. Let's keep going.
I am Gatling P.
Yeah, we know that. All right, we know that you're the only one.
What would output of this code if the user entered the value 70?
I think else print fail.
Merit.
That is not.
Yes, merit.
It's supposed to
Sorry.
be self-evident. Basically means grade is 70. So checking which one is true. All right, we're gonna do this boring stuff now. Okay, we're gonna do a really boring question and answer.
I can't believe it, but I actually only moved down one place, but I was still correct.
Okay. All right. Grade 70 is grade greater
Never
than or
define
equals
this
to 80.
variable grade.
Is 70 greater than or equals to 80?
How you literally solve this question is all you need to look at is
I mean, you could just do this
let me
procedurally,
annotate.
up to down.
All you need to do is just look at this boy and you're good.
True, you could, but you can do
All
it
you need to do
procedurally
is
as well,
look
just
at
in
that
case
chunk.
some option up here, just in case it have like 2 options. So instead of 80, maybe if this is 70, then it's still going to be this option because this runs first. The Python code always execute from top to bottom, left to the right. So grade is greater. So since grade is not greater than or equals to 80, okay, everybody please stop annotating on the screen for just 1 second.
All right.
Since grade is not greater than or equals to 80, sorry about that, but I'm just gonna finish my sentence. You guys can talk. So that means this condition is not correct. Then it's gonna be this. 70 indeed is greater than or equals to 70 because 70 equals to 70. That's why it's gonna print out merit. And we don't need to care about the rest of these conditions. All right.
It never defined the variable grade.
What?
Mhm.
It never defined the variable grade.
Wait, I found something out.
This is just a snippet of the code, by the way.
Wait, so the orange, I mean the yellow, the yellowish orange, it's earth bending. The red is fire bending. The the blue is water bending, and the green is another version of earth bending.
Okay. Well,
It's
whoever just said it didn't define grade, that's a great point. But
It's just a snippet of the code. It's not the whole code.
but I would just say this. Either way, whether it said enter the value of 70, well, it didn't define grade, and then but it's still good. It didn't say print out error because if grade is not defined, it's gonna print out an error. So since there's no error, we can assume grade is defined, and this value, since the given us question says 70. So we can kind of assume this part out. All right, some tricky question here. All right. All right, let's move on to the next question. I'm on fire. All right, can't believe. Okay, I'm gonna forbidden everybody the annotation feature. Sorry about that.
No.
Disable annotation for the others.
Kevin, you ruined things.
Okay. I'm gonna. The reason because I want to see the question. I'm just gonna re-enable it when we stop this question. All right.
You ruined it.
Number 8. Which decision statement will be triggered if the variable x is less than 20?
I don't know. Go gold. Go
I
red.
think I'm wrong.
Red is the correct one. If x is equal to 20, then it's not gonna be good, right?
It's not gonna be good. Definitely, it's not gonna be good. Yep.
Okay,
Yep,
and
yep,
now
yep,
I'm
yep,
just
yep,
gonna
yep, yep,
expect somebody purposefully answer some question wrong.
For once, I just try to be the most accurate in the questions. Do not ask.
Green is not even correct at all. There's no way that you can check less than and greater than at the same time.
That was just,
In one condition. In one
isn't
condition.
that just equal to equal? Equal?
Equal, yeah, equals means equal comparison. So it's comparison.
Yeah, but if
Red,
X is
gold, red, yellow, and blue are our only real options. And then you have yellow.
Green is not even a correct option. You could rewrite green. You could rewrite green as this. You could rewrite green as if my drawing pad can work. If x is less than 20 and x is greater than 20, which is not going to be happen. There's no such a value satisfies this constraint because there's no such a value that's less than 20 or in the meantime it's greater than 20. So green is not going to happen. So really so now since red is not correct, green is syntactically is not correct, only blue and yellow left. So of course, since it said less than 20, we obviously just gonna choose this option. Right?
I'm a bat, yo. This is so weird with the glasses.
Glasses in your mouth is the eye. All right, let's move on.
That's weird.
I know, right?
All right, Gallium P still.
What's times 3.95?
Vector, integer, string, floats.
I forgot.
What? Okay, the make this question is about integer wrong. It's INTEG.
String.
Guys, it's an
Integer.
They didn't even spell it correct. It's integer.
Wait, still some people choose integer?
Wait, okay. First of all, it's spelled wrong. I'm going to type in the chat how it's actually supposed to be spelled. Just wait. Yeah, integer.
Sure. Spell like that. Okay, either way, it's not integer because integer, obviously, it's just a whole number.
An integer is a whole non-decimal number that can be either negative or positive.
We need to go back to math class.
Description. So obviously 0.95 since I have decimal number. Nope, not integer. It's a character. We don't have character in Python. That's not a type. String.
So I just wanted to say the definition of an integer is a whole number or a fraction that is not a number that is not a fraction.
Wow, that's a perfect response from your math book, I guess.
That was from the literal English dictionary.
Okay, that's even better, I guess. Okay. So okay, then
dictionary cool too.
All right. Okay.
Dictionary ain't no bad, you know.
It's flow. Even if you don't know what's flow, you should choose this one because it's not integer, it's not a string, it's not a character.
The glasses on my nose look so weird.
I know it looks extreme.
Just do it on your eyes.
And also my ears on my eye, my lips are on my eyes, and my eyebrows are on my.
Okay.
Wait, dang it! I'm in 6th place. Dang it.
All right. Whoever can get more points than me, I'm gonna award them something, I guess.
Like what? Like $100 gift card?
No, that's not gonna happen.
Wait, even that actually sounds like a reasonable award because look at how much points he has. The highest person so far has only a slim chance of actually getting higher than him because the teacher literally knows everything in the subject.
Don't worry, we have 5 questions.
I said there's
Remember, we also
a chance,
talked about this.
but-
Everything we have been talked about it. There is a slime chest. If I miss any of the 5 questions, you guys probably can make it.
There's a slim chance. That's why I said there's a slim chance.
All right. Most of you answered this correctly, actually. So this is what we call, again, if I can write, this is what we call
A string.
A
string concatenation.
Your drawing's bad.
Concatenation. I don't know how to spell concatenation.
Your
But
That
drawing's
sounds like a
bad.
bomb. That sounds like a
anyway,
bomb.
string concatenation. I'm just gonna try my best and guess how do you spell it.
Your
Don't.
drawing's bad.
Concatenation basically means you adding two string together. And it's
Wow,
gonna
you-
interpret it
it's
literally.
concatenation.
So it's string 5 plus string 3 is gonna equals to string 53. This is just gonna interpret it literally. Concatenation. All right, almost correct, I guess. But yeah, so it's not 8, not string 8, it's 53. All right. I don't even know what's red option mean, but okay.
Where's there 2 Ethans in this class?
So what that one was trying to say, so it's just trying to trick you so that it just equals this it just equals the value that is placed.
Okay.
So it's like 5 this quotation mark 5 plus 3 equals just the quotation mark 5 plus quotation mark 3.
All right.
If the teacher gets this wrong, then
If
Well,
the teacher
your
gets
teacher,
this wrong,
I'm not gonna be a
the
teacher.
teacher's not a good. If the teacher gets this wrong, he's not a teacher anymore.
if the teacher gets this wrong, so first of all, we actually have a chance to win this. The second thing is that calculus 3 is now have been demoted to 4th place.
Okay, well, all right.
Okay.
Data that can change. So it's not a special file. So it's a variable. It's not even a file name. It's not a coding technique per se. It's something in coding, but it's not a technique. So now it's whether it can change or cannot change. It's something can change. So variable generally means something that can be changed. And in Python, there's really no such a thing called constant variable. You can technically define a constant variable by typing your variable name in all cap. This just symbolizes that for whoever is using this, you're not supposed to change the variable. But if anybody tries to change the variable, it's still correct. The Python not going to raise it an error. Okay. So in Python, there's no such a thing called constant variable. Yeah, other programming language it does. For example, JavaScript, you can use const variable name, and then so this variable name cannot be redefined, cannot be changed, but constant.
C dot constant. Is that C dot ONAT? What?
CONSTANT.
CONSTANT.
There's a dot right there. It's like a C dot.
Okay. All right. That handwriting is despite using a drawing pad.
Everybody turn on their cameras.
Took your place. Also,
Hey,
Bowen.
right now.
So Bowen said that he was used to be 5th place. Now he was 11th place, and
Teacher has the highest streak of 10.
Yeah, no. Which of
whether
these
the
has
variable x is the same as hello. X equals hello. X equals hello. I don't know. This is really hard.
Okay. Well, I mean, this is probably. Wait,
Yeah.
most people choose 9?
Wait, what? Most people chose 9. I think you mean most
Excuse me.
people chose 3.
Who did?
No, I mean not most people choose 9. 9 people chose x equals to hello.
I chose x equals because that's the sign of how you know it's a comparison.
Yeah.
Literally.
It's a comparison. So that's everything that I'm trying to say.
And
It-
also,
Equals is a comparison. What single equal is assignment. This is almost used across to all programming languages.
Also, a cool thing is that the only two options that were picked is the same ones that are the same options as in a true or false, red and blue.
Yeah, true.
This is so basically this is another coincidental moment.
All right. So looks.
What? Okay. So Galling Peace 2000 is still in the ranks, barely clenching there. And teacher has teacher is on a roll. Which function will convert a number?
Which function convert number to a string?
I think I got it wrong.
I don't know how to do this.
Try to go faster. Oh my god, we wasted our break time. I guess it's fine.
Wait, what? This is supposed to be break? Oh.
Yeah, there's supposed to be break.
Dang
Okay.
it, I got it to
Here's
7th
example.
place.
Yes,
Dang,
we
I got
need
it to
to start.
7th place.
Okay, see, most people know this, so I'm gonna assume I talk about this actually. Where did
I misclicked.
did? I
Dang, I
forgot.
misclicked.
number
I
to string,
misclicked.
right? Number to string.
Integers
So
change it from a string
Sternify.
to a number, right?
I misclicked. Dang it, I misclicked. I literally misclicked.
Alright.
Can you
You
stop
can wish me to misclick.
Can you stop misclicking, Kessler? It's like
Exactly, actually. Every time you say you misclick, you miss a question.
My hands are literally sweating.
that doesn't mean you
Which
misclick.
function will convert
What function will convert a string containing only digits in a number?
What?
What?
It says which function will convert a string containing only digits into a number.
Oh no. Oh no, I feel really bad about this one.
No.
I
No.
don't even understand the question.
What? I got it. Oh
Wait,
my-
what?
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 Oh, okay. Now I understand the question. Okay, so it's basically the same question but reverse. Okay. All right.
Same question but reverse.
Okay. A great question. Okay, so great job for the 10 people who answered correctly. I missed this question. I missed it because I didn't get the question.
Oh no.
We will see if anybody actually get in front of me. No.
No.
Okay. Well,
The
we
teacher has
got
too
one
many
final question to go. Got one final question to go. First, congratulations to Shadowhawk with 5 correct questions in a row. Great. Now my streak are all lost. We'll see.
I do not think the Q
How do we fix this code? I don't know.
Oh, remove the. I don't know. Haha!
There's no award to anybody, I guess. All right.
Turn!
All right.
Parts.
Great. Let's see. So,
What? Wait, name?
Yep.
Why am I so?
Dang it!
notice
Dang
here.
it! Dang it!
All right. So notice here. Yeah, I don't have to pay. I don't have to give award to anybody. So that's good to me. Okay. All right. So let's see.
Dang it!
So,
Dang
let
it!
me go ahead.
Dang it!
Let's always do a quick analyze.
I'm 1,057 points away from Calculus 3, and I'm still in 5th place.
All right. So notice that you need to use the same, as I said, capitalized variable and uncapitalized variable are all different. So you need to change them to all the same casing in order to let it work. Okay, and to let it work. All right. Let's see what's happening in the chat before we release the final moment. 12, say hi, bad luck. Hello. Nice. Hello. Rip, final score 10th. Rip. I don't know. Rip 10th. Yo, I'm on 8. Great. Hi to your place. All right, great. 4th. Me 8. I'm 8. All right. No. All right, let's see.
No.
Anybody get any
No.
special surprise sent by me?
No.
What?
Oh, the screen is frozen. Oh, cute calculus.
Also,
Who
Blake,
is first?
teacher, you got 2 questions wrong.
Who actually got to? I I had such a good roll.
And then you lost it.
All
I
right.
had such a good roll, and then I lost it. But at least I'm above Sophie.
All right. Congratulations to top 3. Me, Q Calculus, and somebody who is unknown. Great job to all of you. And yeah.
But who's Q Calculus?
Yeah, who's Q Calculus? Calculus is not Q, by the way. Just want to mention that again. But
Oh, Reina.
Very
Reina.
cute.
How do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce your name?
Reina.
Oh, Reina. Okay.
okay. Cool. All
I
right.
like your dragon though. Your dragon cool.
All right. Great.
That dragon cool.
All right. Okay, so congratulations to whoever did this Kahoot. Thanks for doing this Kahoot with me. So, seems like at one.
I can't even log into GitPod now.
Why do you look like you have a mustache?
Because I
What?
used a video filter.
That's okay.
How do you what's the video filter?
Go to video, and then you click on the arrow, and then choose video filter, and then you click studio effects filter, and then like all that stuff.
All right. Well, I guess for now, what I'm going to do is going to proceed by taking a break. Okay, since we didn't take a break.
Okay, I removed
Okay.
all my stuff.
Okay, good. Farewell for a little while. And
Yeah,
can
we're
we
gonna
a
get back
stopwatch?
at approximately 4:55.
4:56. So now, can you do a stopwatch?
Let me see.
Wait, not a stopwatch, a countdown.
All right. All right. Have a great break.
I can't log in. I keep on forgetting my passwords. Why am I this? Okay, I'm gonna go back to Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is more collaborative for me this today. I don't know why. Wait, what's the link for the GitPod thing? The GitPod dot whatever it is.
bit.ly/gitpod1.
So bit.ly/gitpod1.
Yep.
All right, log in and launch workspace. Log in with GitHub. Let's go view over like. Wait, will you ever send home report cards because we have homework?
No, because I mean I could practically, but I don't want to do that.
Then you'd be kind of cruel. No offense.
Okay. Well, yeah. I mean, you're doing it for your own. I mean, to be honest, most like these questions are not really helpful. It depends what you want to do in the future. Like, do you want to create a website with stuff like that? Which gonna focus the rest of the week.
All right, I think I look really weird with my mustache on my head, so I'm gonna flip my video so I'm like right side up. There we go, much better.
Great.
This is an empty one. Hi. Well, what if you typed hi in the terminal?
It's gonna say command not found.
No, I just typed hi. I just typed this, and this is what it displays. I'm going to post it in the chat. I typed this, and it displays this. For some reason.
Oh yeah. Yeah. This means you're starting a new Bash session. Bash is the language for this for the terminal.
Okay, let me just open a new terminal and turn on autosave.
I think we have approximately, let me see.
What if you type yo?
Okay, so we have approximately like 5 minutes left of break. Yeah, we have 5 minutes left of break. Right?
Right. Not right. Right, not right. Why did I just take a look at URL? What is URL again? I forgot what URL was. Oh yeah, remember URL? The homework from last time? Oh yeah, that was kind of cool. Bash. Downloading files.
All right, I'm gonna create a new. No wait. How do you exit a folder? How do you exit a folder?
All you need to do is just close the tab. It's sort of like Chrome. All you need to do is just close the tab.
New file. It.py. It's very like. All right. Let's run this.
For the homework, I just
run this. Name here right now.
For the homework, I just Googled how to make Hangman with Python.
Hello, Steph. I'm Ethan. This is the code. You can fix it up a little bit, and this asks them for their name, and then it asks them for their name, and then they put the name in, and then you say hello. Yeah. Just fix up the I'm Ethan into I'm your name, like the thing. You know. Python 3. It's the oh, never mind.
Random.py.
It says name here right now. Name here right now.
I'm calling some of my I'm just calling this random dot.
Class will begin in 200 seconds. 198, 197, 196, 195, 194, 193, 192, 191, 190. I'm just getting bored of counting right now. Hey Kessler, notice that we only me and you are text chatting.
Mm-hmm.
Also, this video is being recorded. Alright, I'll just private chat you.
Yeah, actually,
Good idea. It says you cannot check Kessler wearing during this meeting.
What? But how come I can chat with? Wait.
Oh, he made it private. Darn it!
Darn it.
Okay, I guess we'll just talk like this. Hello. It says name is equal to input name right here right now. Print hello plus name.title plus exclamation mark plus I am Ethan and then happy face.
I just have a file called random.py for just random things.
Okay. My name. Wait, what if I posted the code in the terminal? Oh, this is gonna be so weird. It says syntax error. Oh my goodness, that is weird.
Okay, Matthew is saying, weren't you saying he made it? When you said it, he made it private.
What? Yeah, it is private. Duh.
Matthew Strong says, when you said it, he made it private.
Wait, I think I know Matthew Strong for some reason. I don't know why. Why do I feel that name is so familiar from some other class? Like the what's it called again? It's the what's it called again? Like the Cloud Classroom. Why do I always I don't know.
Wait.
When you said I'll private
chat. Okay, so the explaining behind it is that gravitational potential energy is an energy associated with an object due to its position above the ground, and it's called gravitational potential energy because if the object fell from its position, the energy could be released. Energy when it falls back to the ground. The amount of gravitational potential energy depends on its weight and its height above the ground. For example,
a heavy bug is associated with greater gravitational energy compared to a light bug. A heavy bug hurts more than a light bug when it falls on your foot because the heavy bug.
Hit your foot with your greater force.
Are we talking about physics right now?
I don't know this one from
I just
Python
happened to have
to
my
physics.
textbook near me, so I just typed the whole.
I have a meme near me. Yeah, I have a meme near me.
Oh, what you actually
All
typed?
right,
out
all
that?
right, everybody. Okay. Where'd the screen share countdown go? I
Why did you disable private chat?
I don't wait. Okay, yeah, I don't know.
Because we were just about to do something, and then I don't know. Did you
Okay.
actually type that whole entire document? Shouldn't you have like?
Okay. All right. Well, I attempted to mute everybody just so I could have some quiet time break, but apparently Zoom didn't allow me, or it's too late. Anyway, just went back to coding. Okay. All right, let's go back. Coding. Oh my God. Gravitational.
Is that physics? Is that physics?
Yeah, it is physics.
I have.
We don't learn about physics. We don't learn about physics until like 7th grade in my school.
I'm supposed to
Can I screen share a meme?
Physics.
Well, I'm doing 8th grade math, so I mean 8th grade science.
Okay.
In what grade are you in, anyways?
7.
I am in.
7? I'm in.
I am in 7th grade.
I'm in 5th grade. I'm the youngest here, probably, right?
I am the tallest.
How do you know? The instructor is the tallest.
Oh yeah, that's true.
He's in
Yeah,
8th
never
grade, right?
Never mind.
Okay. All right. Don't force me to actually mute everybody, but okay. All right. So hopefully you guys have a great break or chatting each other. I'm not here for the half of the time, but hopefully you guys didn't do anything inappropriate. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna get back and turn my chat on. And then, okay, let's go get started. First of all, here's my question. Has anybody heard of this phrase before? This complicated fancy that you guys shouldn't really be heard of, but maybe some of you heard of it either from my previous classes or one other thing. But has any of you heard of object-oriented?
How do you clear the terminal?
Type clear. Has anybody heard of object-oriented programming before? Oriented programming. It's not object-orientated, it's object-oriented. Maybe that's just...
Object-oriented programming is...
I think we talked about this in the other class, but I completely forgot about
we
it.
did.
It's programming specifically
What does setting.json do? It just says editor autosave on. Like, can you delete
Okay,
it?
that's something different. That's something different. That's to manage your okay, we're actually going to talk about that kind of, but the equivalent in Python. But has anybody heard of object-oriented programming before?
No.
No? All right. So I'm just going to talk about what is, sorry for cut you off.
Why is it so blurry? I can't even see anything. It's so blurry.
Okay. All right. Great. Oh
I can't see anything.
That's probably either your internet connection or the teacher's internet connection.
Okay.
Mostly
Okay.
the teacher's internet.
For a while. I'm just gonna try to finish this lesson. Okay.
All
right.
No, it's actually getting blurry for me. Now it looks like Hindi.
All right. So let's talk about object-oriented programming. All right. So object-oriented programming is basically, you can imagine everything that we type in Python as an object. You can imagine everything we type in Python as an object. For example, list is an object. List is an object. You could just technically imagine them. Dictionary is an object. Set is an object. String is an object. You just imagine like that. Has anybody learned of, let's see, has anybody learned what is the standard object-oriented programming? Okay, I don't really know, but okay. But Is list a function? Kind of, but list itself is an object.
I can't see what you're saying because it's so blurry.
You cannot see what I'm saying.
No, I can't see what you're drawing. It's so blurry. Like everything looks like it's Hindi.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, because Zoom.
Also,
yeah.
and also, the writing of the annotation, it looks like it says oop, set objects, list, arotaroni, and stimali.
Okay. Loop is just the abbreviation for object-oriented programming. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get started by constructing our first class. All right.
I can't even see what
For
you're
this class, I'm gonna mute you, Ethan, and.
Hi.
Okay, thank you. Maybe Kessler as well, but she seems like she's muted. But okay, so we're just gonna talk about object-oriented programming. Hopefully nobody's gonna interrupt our class again. But we're gonna talk about object-oriented programming. Why it's so blurry? I don't know why. Why is the screen so blurry? I don't really know. But okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get started by constructing our first class. Maybe, yeah. So first, what you're gonna type is class. This is a keyword that's always going to take to create a new class.
I can barely make out what you're typing.
Okay. All right. Well, I just type class. And okay, by the way, you need to create a file called class.py. Okay, you need to create a file called class.py. And then basically you just need to create a new, in your Python file, just type class. Just type class. Can you refresh? Do you want me to refresh? I don't think that's gonna do much. But
What he means by refresh is stop share the share screen again.
Okay, so stop share and unsharing again.
Sometimes you have to wait a moment.
We're gonna see. So I'm gonna make it better for you guys. All right. Okay, so again, just type class on the Python file. I hope it's better now.
Wow, it actually looks really better.
Okay, great. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just type class in the file. And then here we're gonna create our first class, custom class called Polygon. I forgot, did I do this example in the in prior classes? But okay, so just gonna create a class and call this Polygon. And we're gonna pass for now. All right, great. Looks like the screen's great for everybody now. Good. So, how about this? I'm gonna give a person a hard task. Type yes in the chat if you want to do it. If you want to do a task. All right, Ethan. Ethan, I'm gonna give you the remote control. Actually, no, I'm not. What I want you to do is how about this? Actually, I changed my plan. Everybody, you guys should be able to annotate now. What I want you to do is draw a polygon for me.
What's a polygon again?
I can't annotate.
Everybody should be able to annotate because you can see there's many shapes appear on the screen.
I can't draw.
I have a Chromebook. I can't annotate with my computer.
Oh, okay. Well, we can take a look at some shapes. Okay, that's enough. All right, it's a messy now. It's extremely messy now. All right, I can hear my laggy voice going on in the background. Okay, probably shouldn't do this activity. All right, everybody can stop now. Disable annotation. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's take a look. This messy drawing made by all of us. Oh my God, can somebody turn off my laggy voice? But, okay.
I kasi Kyanacon. Wow.
All right. Well, let's take a look. I actually just want that's probably why I want just one person to draw a shape. How about this? Ethan, could you just draw a shape? Okay. Okay. Ethan, you should be the only one who can draw. Okay. Now, Ethan, could you draw a shape? Draw a polygon.
Okay, let me see. I can't. Oh yeah, I can annotate.
You should be the only one who can annotate.
I'm the worst at drawing. There we go.
Are you sure it's a polygon?
A
Wait.
polygon is a shape that has at least 3 vertices and 3.
Oh yeah. Why am I? Oh yeah. I haven't finished my drawing.
Okay, basically just want you to draw a 4-sided rectangle.
Four-sided rectangle. All right. Let me draw a rectangle.
All right, could you please just draw a rectangle? That's all I want you to do. Okay, great. Great job. Okay, now I'm going to disable annotation. Turns out I'm lying to you. Everybody can annotate, but I just lied to you, said only Ethan can annotate. But okay, let me just go ahead and erase. No, Caster, stop, please. Okay, that's impossible for me to go over this class. All right. Okay, so this is a polygon, aka rectangle, 4-sided rectangle. Can anybody tell me 2 properties that's define what is this rectangle?
It's a
It
rectangle.
has 2
A
parallel
vertice,
pairs of sides.
It's the side lengths,
They all have right angles.
side lengths, the angle lengths, the vertices.
And it has to be closed. It has to be closed.
Okay, so what I'm trying to get
Is-
is I want you to tell me the 2 property that is most important. So 2 property is not what makes up a rectangle. I mean, it's kind of, but the 2 most important property for a rectangle.
You're blurry again.
Two pairs of parallel lines and 4 right angles.
Okay, okay. So since it's a rectangle, obviously it's have 4 right angles. But what I'm trying to get is I want 2 numbers that I can construct and draw basically the same shape as this rectangle. I want 2 numbers. I just need
3 and 2.
numbers so I can construct the same rectangle as this.
4 and 2.
3 and 2.
Okay, what are 3 and 2 and 4 and 2? Where are they?
4 is 4 sides and 2 is 2 parallel lines.
Okay,
Need
actually I'm
two
trying to get you
pairs
guys
of
to
parallel
say length and width.
Oh. I don't have a ruler.
Length is 3 and width is 2, I guess.
All right. Okay. So we'll discuss what are these later, or maybe not. But all right. So length.
Getting kind of blurry.
Oh God. Okay. So length and width are the 2 most important property for defining a rectangle. So with knowing these 2 properties, I can probably draw exactly the same rectangle as this. Flashback to okay.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Remember the introduction to web development where every
Oh my
class.
God! Can we please not talk now? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes to talk whatever you want at the end of the class. Okay.
Okay.
I
Alright.
remember those times when he got so like echoey.
All right. Okay.
I'm so mad.
All right. So we're now gonna get the length and width. Length and width. Length and width. So these are the 2 most important properties. And let's take a look.
So blurry. I can't even see what you're.
So in here, I can just go over length. All right. What do you guys think this rectangle's length is? This rectangle I just drawn. What do you think the rectangle for that is?
3.
3. All right. What about width?
3.
What about width?
2.
2. All right. Turns out I don't know the exact value because there's no way to measure it. But okay, I'm just gonna do length is 3 and width is 2. All right. So now I create this polygon or rectangle, 4-sided rectangle. All right. So then here, what I can do is what I call create a new instance or create a new offspring of this class. All right. So what's that mean? Well, let's take a really easy example using list. So we have a list that's we defined a list before. For example, we have a list of 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 values. And this is, you can imagine, as offset of the list object. This is a list object, but it have different values. This native built-in type works a little bit differently, but basically the same idea is this. We have the skeleton set up, but so we are all humans, but we look different, right? So human is our class, but we are the offspring of humans. This is basically what is class, what is offspring, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look how can we create a new class, new offset of this class. To create that's really simple. You can just type this. You can just type rect for rectangle equals to polygon with parentheses. All right.
What
Notice
equals to polygon?
what?
What equals to polygon? I
Rect.
didn't get what equals polygon.
Rect.
A rect equals polygon.
That's
Yep.
kind of the same thing in JavaScript, right?
In Java or JavaScript.
I think it's I don't remember because I learned it in Khan Academy like 2 years ago. So
Oh
like,
yeah. Well, if you learn from Khan Academy, that's JavaScript. But yeah, it's basically the same thing.
rect parentheses blah blah blah.
Yeah.
6 p.m. 6. Wait, why is everybody typing 6?
That's when the class is
6
over.
o'clock p.m. That's when the class ends.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So now you can see we can create. We now can create a new class, a new offspring of this class. So let's go ahead and print out this rectangle. Print out this rectangle class. So again, you can execute this file by typing python class.py. And then if I take a look at this, is a really weird string. The really weird string is, as you can see, it said something like this. It said main.polygon object at 0x7fb blah blah blah. Okay, so this main just referred to the over scope. So basically refer to this module. This is a main module. And then this polygon.
It says can't open file class.py error no such variable
Did
directory.
you create this class.py?
I created class.py.
You didn't create class.py. Or you didn't save it. You didn't save it maybe.
Oh, maybe I didn't save it.
I saved. It saves. It was an auto save, but it says that file class.py line 6 in Python rect equals polygon parentheses name error name polygon is not defined.
Did you add line 1 to 3 on my script? Because you have to have this in order to define it.
I did.
All right, I just saved it and it says no such file directory.
Okay, I'm gonna let you share your screen, Kessler, and same as you, Ethan. But I'm just gonna ask you guys a question. For those of you who might learn C or C++, or maybe even Java, can anybody tell me what's this? What's this? What is this? Or does anyone want to guess what it is? What is this?
What?
Is it like the what's it? Like the size of it? Or like the place or the pixels or something like that?
Place.
I can't even.
It's the memory location. It's where it's located. It's
I
basically
can't
the
even
memory.
see it because it's so blurry. Now it looks like Hindi.
Okay. Well, it's basically this is a memory location of where this new instance is created, and then you can see this is what we call a hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, and then this basically it's basically a 16 base. If you don't know hexadecimal, it's 0 to F, 0 through 9, A through F. All right. And then I'm gonna All right. So if you have any error, just let me know. I'm gonna let Ethan and Kessler to share their screen.
Who's gonna go first?
There.
All right.
So yeah. So this is the one I said.
All right. Again, don't forget about indentation. Yeah. So just move line 6 and 7 back. Unindent line 6 and line 7.
Good.
Yep. Try running again.
Okay. Python class.py main polygon object at 0 times 7f32 e15bbbb0.
Yep.
Why is 4 B's anyways?
I don't know. It's usually
Mine
like
says
randomly.
B0, BB0.
Yeah, it should be different. All right.
0 times 7f32 e15bbbb
Great.
Zero,
All right,
7,
Ethan. Now you can share your screen.
7A1B0B0.
Great. Different memory locations. All right.
I'm gonna type clear in here. It's too messy.
Mhm.
Good.
I took.
Please.
Okay, that's why. Notice your file structure. Take a look at your file structure. See how your file structure, my work, my pen, my drawing pad. Okay, take a look at your file structure that you actually define, put the class.py into this untitled folder.
Okay, why is that in right there?
I don't know.
Can you
Don't
delete
delete it. Don't delete it. Don't delete it. Your file is going to be deleted. First, drag class out.
like this?
All right.
This.
Now try to run this again.
I can't even drag.
It should be dragged out now. It should be dragged out now. Try to run this again.
So
Python.
close the folder. So close the folder. Yeah, it's Python.
It's called class.py run.
Okay,
There you go. There you go.
0 times SDF D913622B.
Why is mine different from everybody else's?
Everybody should be different.
It's supposed to be defined differently, and
Yeah.
you should be happy that you don't have like 4 B's.
Not different.
You should be happy that you don't have 4 B's.
Yeah, okay.
B.
Well, it should be defined differently because we all have different memories. And even each time, if you run this, you will see the different hexadecimal.
Oh! If I tilt my head sideways, it looks so weird.
This is not like you can see all the time. Whenever I'm running this, you can see it's kind of different, like all of the parts changing. But okay, that's just a trivia thing. Now let's talk about how could you access some variable. Okay, completely out of time. Thanks for you to keep talking and interrupt me. But okay, so now what we're going to do is this. We're now going to talk about how to accessing different data. Talk about accessing data. Oh no, why did I click on stop share? I'm gonna.
The video is getting a little bit blurry. Just saying.
Okay. All right. So now let's talk about how to access different data. So for example, nice, everybody's muted now. Great. Okay. So now if we take a look, how can we actually get access to the two variables that we define within the class, length and width? How can we get access to them?
Your screen's really blurry.
Okay. I proceed with stop share and then share it again.
And now your video is really blurry.
Okay, well, I guess that's my internet connection. As I said, it's really good for some reason, but all right. All right, so
Sometimes your computer lies to you. So.
All right, so now let's talk about how could you get access to, for example, the length variable. That's what we define within the class. So here you can just use what we call a dot notation. Notice that we have a dot here. Notice we have a dot here. And then dot after dot, you can see we'll put the variable name, which is length.
Now it's finally clear.
Now it's better.
So it's dot length. Because maybe if I put too much content, it's maybe also it's glitchy. All right.
Now it's worse.
All right.
Now
So I'll run this again.
That's better.
Now you can see where actually now you can see 3 printed on the terminal because the length of this polygon is 3. All right, we could get the width as well by just typing rect.width, and then you can get 2.
Can you print dot length dot width?
What do you mean?
Like you know how in some code you can like print like rect dot length dot width. Can you do that?
No, you couldn't because, well, you could if you have a function called length and you have a variable defined within it called width. You could try to do that. You could try to do that. No, I'm not gonna guarantee it's work because I never tried like using multiple dot notation. But that's actually a great idea. I actually never know how to do that. Okay. So now because we can get the access to a variable.
I have a question.
Yes.
So what I wanted to say was, how can you make it find the area?
Great. We're gonna make that in just one moment, actually. But for now, I want to.
So if you like say if area equals length times width, then print area.
Well, okay. There is a kind of like easier way, or maybe more kind of user-friendly way to do it. But for now, I'm going to ask you guys a question. See if you guys notice it. Is there any issue with this code, where anything that you see? So now we don't have any syntactical error. So there is no syntactical error, means the code runs successfully without any error. But does anybody see any potential, does anybody see any improvement that's going to make upon to this class?
You can specify it further, so you can say like rectangles or something. I don't really know. And now it's turning back into the oobly goobly glob of Hindi.
Okay. Wow.
Um,
All right, we're gonna rectangle. All right, we're gonna. This is actually something we're gonna be able to talk about. Does anybody have any other thought how we can make this class better? Anything?
Maybe you can add more stuff to it.
For example, what do you mean by add more stuff to it?
Like you can put more variables in or put functions in it.
All right, more function. All right. So I'm gonna later specifically ask you guys what function do you want to put. But does anybody see any potential error that may potential problems, may not errors?
the print rec dot width, and then you have to print rec dot length maybe.
So what I'm trying to get is here. Notice that a hard-coded length equals 3, width equals 2. So what if I want to create a polygon, create a rectangle, which the length is 5, the width is 3? How can I do that? Well, there's no way to do that currently.
Variable, you can ask them like, what is your width and what is your length, and then
We could. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use what we call something similar to a function. So function syntax.
In
So let's take a look.
function syntax.
So function taking arguments, basically arguments. So here I'm just going to go and say def init, and in here I'm going to say self, and width, and length and width. Let's do length first, and then it's width. All right. Notice now we've defined a function within a class, and notice this function is special because we have 2 underscore at the beginning and at the end.
why is it yellow?
Because it's a special function. It's a special function, or as you can see, think it is a function built into Python. And in fact, what's gonna happen to init is when you go ahead and create a new instance of this Polygon class, what's gonna happen is you're actually going to get you're actually going to the init function gonna run first. So whatever inside the init function gonna get run first, no matter what.
I have a comment. So I think your connection is like wavy. First it goes up, everything's really clear. Then it goes down, 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 down. So it's like
It's so inconsistent.
It's inconsistent. So it's like one time your connection is really good, like right now, but then it just turns into a hoobly goobly glob of Hindi.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna call it.
Okay.
But then it goes up again.
Okay.
It starts like doing short wavelengths.
We'll have 30 minutes left anyway, so I think we could do it anyway. That's why I see some hoobly gobbly indie. But okay, so I want to talk about this. Notice this function taking 3 arguments. 3 arguments.
Uh-huh.
3 arguments. And then so basically it's self, length, and width. Length and width are obviously understandable. It's where user is going to type their information in. But self is basically refer to this. Okay, I don't know why I draw a squiggly line like this. But self basically means it refers to the instance this itself. Okay. So basically, if you create a new Polygon class, if we create a new instance of Polygon class called rect will be the self. All right. And yourself will enable you to have all the access to variables that you define within this instance, function that you define with this instance. All right. So self is basically a way to connect everything together in class. All right. And if you learned JavaScript before, self is basically the same thing as this. All right. Okay. So now let's go ahead and take a look. So now what I want to do is I want to go specify the length and width. Notice that untitled snippet is ignoring the self because it knows self is 4. It's just asking me the argument for length and width. So the length is 5, width is 3, for example. And now what I will do is here, I will go ahead and add self dot in front of when I define a variable. So self, you can just imagine as a dictionary where you can have the key, define like self dot length. Length is a key equals to 3, which is a value. And then you can later get this length as well. You can get this length, basically. Get the value of this length.
I just have a question. Why is it blue? Is it because it has an association with another variable?
Blue is because it's a special variable.
Okay, special variable.
All right. What's a keyword you can imagine in Python? All right, and then finally, I'm gonna replace this with length, replace this as width. All right. Okay, let's take a look and go ahead and run this program. Python class.py. Now I can see the width is 3 instead of, I forgot what's the previous width, maybe 2. But now if you go and say what's the length, Python class.py, you can see it's 5. Okay, it's 5. So this is a way, so the init function is a way to basically make your program more initializable, all right? More usable, basically, across all different like function, across all different instance that you might define. Okay. Does anybody have any question?
It says attribute error again for some reason.
All right, attribute error, seems like that's a special error. Do you mind if you can share screen, please?
All right. It says attribute error. Polygon object has no attribute length.
Okay, that's because, first of all, it's 2 underscore. You just write 1 underscore. 2 underscore.
Right here?
2 underscore at the beginning and at the end. So both.
All right.
And then another thing is you need to change this to actually use a user argument. So length. All right, width. All right. And then finally, in here, you need to actually put something. So you can say, so you can replace line 7 as rect equals to polygon.
Can't see it.
Okay, you can, I'm gonna erase this, I guess, since you know what to
You're
type.
supposed to replace these with length and width.
Yeah, length and width, respectively. And then finally, in here, you can put the actual.
I can't see how.
Okay, let's see.
My error is a type error. It says polygon parentheses takes no arguments.
Yeah. Okay, that's because you didn't add. You maybe typed in it wrong. I'm gonna let
5-3.
All right. Try to run it again. Yep. Now.
Okay, there we go. Let me stop sharing.
Stop sharing. Let's see. Cursor, go for it. Cursor share.
Beep beep boop 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 boop. Wait, boop. Okay, there it is.
Yeah, you spelled in it wrong. So you missed the I. You spell like int. It's in net. INIT.
So INIT.
Yeah.
All right, now clear.
No, there's one more thing you need to do. You associate them with. So it's the length, the width.
It says self.length and self.width.
Self.length equals length because you need to actually use the variable this user provides.
Equals length equals 3.
No, self.length equals length. Self.width equals width.
Wait, where do I say that?
On line 4 and line 5.
self.length equals length.
No, self.length equals length. Self.width equals width.
I don't get it. Can I
So,
give you remote control?
no, it's fine. You didn't figure out how to do remote control. Mac will have one more thing you need to do.
Deny.
Settings, system preference. Okay, I'm gonna write down for you using my little nice deep drawing pad. Self dot length
Dot length.
Oh.
equals to length. And self dot width equals width.
Like that?
Yep. Now try again. See if it works.
I feel like you're in 7th grade.
Python class dot pi 3.
Right. Nice. Great. I think.
Oh yeah, also Python.
What?
I just Python, high level programming language. Python is interpreted. Okay. I'm
Alright.
just showing what Python is.
No time. There's no time for you
Yeah,
to do that.
there's a Python.
All right, you guys can search up Python on your own if you want to. All right, so now what I want to talk about is how to define different functions or different methods within each class. All right, how to define different methods. So let me go ahead and ask you guys a question.
It's really, really blurry. I can't even see. It's just a mashed up soup of weird letters.
It's the oobly goobly glob of Hindi.
All right, so I think it's Rena who mentioned we need to have some functions within this class. And Kessler mentioned we have something called area. All right, this area class. I mean area function, not area class. Let's take a look. How can we do that? Well, now I'm just gonna go out and do this. I'm just gonna type def area, and here I'm just gonna say taking self, which self again refers to the instance of the self.
I'm just saying I still can't see
It's
it.
the oobly gloobly blob of.
Exactly. Exactly. So I literally cannot see.
Blurry. Oh my god. Okay. Let's try it again. With
Yes, it's a oogly gloobly glob of Hindi.
all right, can you guys see it now?
I can't see. Yes.
Yeah.
Finally.
All right, you can see it. Okay, great. Let me ask you guys a question. What's the formula for calculating an area of a rectangle?
Like
Times length.
times width.
It's base times height.
Which is basically the same thing as length times width.
I can't even see it. So it's still oogly gloobly. It's like.
Okay.
Oogly googly glob.
Okay, so let's just be quiet for 1 minute. All right, thank you. Now we're gonna say that. We're gonna say self.length times self.width. And essentially what it's going to do is going to self.length is going to return the length, self.width is going to return the width. I'm sorry if it's still blurry. I'm gonna paste the code to the description. I mean not in the description, into the chat.
Mine has a problem.
What's your problem? That sounds a little weird, but what's your code's problem?
The code's problem is the def area self problem, which I couldn't see because of it's the oogly googly glob.
Okay, just
just
paste it.
posted the code in the chat.
Okay, so now let's
Okay.
see how can we use this function. Use this method.
I have a question. It didn't really turn anything.
What do you mean I didn't turn anything?
And now it's even more of a glob because Zoom sucks.
Yeah, I go with Teams.
All right, there you go.
Finally, it's better. Oh my goodness.
All right, so Polygon 5,3.area will be able to give you the area of this polygon. And then, for example, so what's the area of a rectangle which has a length of 5, width of 3? What's the area?
13.
15.
15. Again, I said 15. Did I say 13? I need to test my math again.
Okay, I don't want to make any comment on that, but it is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. All right, great. So this is the basic of class. You can see we can define different variables, different methods, and we also can have an init function. All right, can have an init function. So now what I will do is I will go and show you the Hangman game that we'll go ahead and create, because the Hangman game is one of the most complicated projects that we're gonna work on. So I decided to show you some hint, show you some hint. So you guys will be able to do it on your own and then submit it. All right, just to make sure, do you guys know my email address? I hope so.
Can you post it in chat again? I kind of forgot.
All right, great. All right. So actually, I'm gonna show you this Hangman game first, and then what I want you to do is, hopefully you all can have access to Gitpod now. So I'm gonna show you a link, and this link will automatically create a Gitpod for you. And it's have basically the same thing as my Gitpod.
So okay, print area. So is this supposed to work?
Yes, it's supposed to work if you typed it all correctly.
Dang it! It says traceback name. It's just like name area is not defined.
Because you need to define area, and you either did indent correctly or something wrong happened.
Okay, let me see. Nope, everything is correct. Oh, I think.
No, it's not. Everything's correct. You know what? Since it's loading anyway, could you share your screen?
What does this say? Doyen.
You forgot this. You forgot to say dot area
Where?
after Polygon 5.3, and you forgot to put the space right after the comma.
Dot area.
No, right after Polygon 5.3. Polygon 5.3 down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like not in the parentheses. Outside, please. Dot area, and then like parentheses.
Red.
Yeah, go do the dot areas. Well, either way, you can do whichever first you want.
Red area.
Yeah, this will work. This will work actually. You need to add parenthesis after dot area. Add parenthesis after area. Polygon has no. Okay, you need to re-indent this back.
Now I can't see because. Oh yeah, I can annotate. So clear viewers drawings.
Let me see if I can annotate.
Oh no, please don't.
Nope. No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Kaiser, re-indent everything back. 1. So Shift Tab. Select line 7 and line 8. Press Shift Tab.
Okay.
Oh no.
Thank you for the arrow. Actually, no, thank you for the arrow.
All right, there you go. Okay, now if you go try it again, it's not going to print out 15 because you're gonna see something even weirder. And then
Found the polygon dot area of main polygon object that 0.7 F904136 BBB 0.
Kaiser, add a pair of parentheses at the end of area.
Okay.
Because you remember you're calling the function, but this needs to be inside of here.
Put it in the wrong place.
Oh my God, Kaiser, did you learn it? Are you? Okay. Well, just put it inside of the parenthesis. Inside of the right parenthesis. Right here, put a pair of new parentheses.
There?
Yep. Now run it again. Great, 15. Great job. Fantastic. Oh no, what am I doing now?
See, look, this is Hindi. Wait.
He just searched Hindi.
Oh my
I
God.
told you, it is an oogly googly glob of Hindi.
Oh my God.
Told you so.
Alright, let's see. This GitHub apparently didn't load anymore for some reason. Alright, guess I will go ahead and stop the
CC Hangman. Is it the CC Hangman? Or is it which
We have a
CC?
cloud classroom, okay?
Why is it called Hangman?
Wait, what is Hangman again? I forgot.
Hangman is basically that game where you try to guess a word, whenever you get a letter wrong, the one limb of that person loses. If you're stuck with only the head, you lose. But if you correctly guess the words without all of the limbs running out, you win. The goal is
Basically guessing where to save a person's life. Okay.
at least save a person's life.
I thought you drew the hangman, not like you cut off the
It's
hangman.
a game, Hangman. It's much more easier. It's not graphic anyway. So
So you started a hangman 4 minutes ago.
Wait, what? I start Hangman 4 minutes ago?
Yeah, you said
Give it a sec. Give it a while to load. Okay, I'm gonna start my
I
ultimate.
only see CC space dash space hyphen space hangman doi and sec testing test empty repo master.
All right, there we go. Let's get started. All right, so let's take a look how will this program behave, okay? And then get ready in the chat. I'm gonna send a message in the chat. So what happened, you would type python hangman.py, and it should prompt you how many letters there are. For example, in this case, so there are 5 underscore, that means there are 5 letters. First, enter your letter here, enter a letter. So what I want you to do is, I'm gonna type an instruction in the chat. I enter the instruction in the chat. Please do the instruction. Okay, A is the word. A is the word. Let's see.
Wait, where do we put and type a letter here?
Type in the chat. All right.
We type a letter in the chat.
Yeah. So A is the first word. I'm also going to take the first word. Still somebody is typing, but I mean, I'm not taking it anymore.
Hey.
Now I can see it's missed. Is that is missed letter A? You have 2 chances left.
How did it came from 5 to 2?
All right. What? No. It's only 3 chances. You could set chance. This is like where you can set different chances. I just set 3 chances because this word is really easy. Okay. Now I'm gonna type another instruction in the chat. All right. Go ahead and type another letter in the chat. Sorry about that. Okay, I guess I will take O as our next letter. Sorry about that. I sent a message privately to somebody, but I will take O anyway. O is indeed in one of this letter. It's in the last letter. Now notice the underscore change.
Oh, I know what it is. It's hello.
All right. Is it? I don't know.
Oh.
It's automatically generated. Anyway.
So the next letter is L.
Let's see. Type another letter in the chat.
L.
All right, P.
I've been spamming L for all this time and you still haven't seen
Because you need to send the message after I typed the message in the chat. Okay?
And I did. I still spammed L.
No, P is earlier than you, okay? P is earlier than you. I can share the screenshot to you. P is earlier than you. All right.
Wow.
You have 1 chance left. Type
It's just hello, okay?
another letter in the chat. It's not hello. Where is it? I don't know. L. All right. Now you can see both of these underscore.
Why did somebody actually say P?
Type another letter in the chat. H. And we finished. We didn't finish quite yet. All right. Oh my God. Let's type another letter in the chat. U is first letter.
No.
You didn't guess the word. The word is hello. All right, everybody can stop spamming the chat now because it's useless now. All right, so this is how the game should be played. Do you guys have any question on the procedure of how this game should be played? Do you guys have any question? how this game should be played?
No.
No.
It's
All right.
really violent because you're hanging a man.
Well, and that's literally the game's name. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share the starter code that you will have. All right, and the detailed instruction later will be available at the website, which is cc-python.glitch.me. By the way, if you guys want to be a TA, please let me know. I do need a TA right now. So be a privilege being TA is you don't have to do the homework. You just know the.
Can I be a TA? Can I be the TA?
I remember Edgy TA.
Okay.
Wait, there are no TAs.
There's no TA for this class, so that's what I want
Exactly.
because
There's no TAs.
I have much more commitment to this class than the prior class because I literally create a website. I create a website for both of these classes.
Wait, can we see the website though?
What?
Can we see the website?
Yeah, you could. cc-python.glitch.me.
Wait, can you post the link in the chats?
This is the website that I will be updating gradually. All right.
Wait, so that's your website.
Yeah. So basically, if
Isn't that basically where we see all the websites and all of our assignments?
Yeah, basically, and notes.
Bro.
So basically, we write notes and write assignment description. Okay, Ethan. Ethan, you're gonna be my TA, okay? Because you said it first.
Okay.
You don't want to say anything.
Wait, can I also be a TA?
Oh my God! So if you want to be a TA, just send me an email. Let me know, okay?
All right, I'll send you my
Oh,
application.
sorry
I
about
want
that.
to be a TA. Can you send me my application?
You don't need to be okay.
What's
no.
your email
And
again?
it's not real. This is not real. It's
Okay.
scams.
TA is more than enough.
This is a scam. He's not giving us any of the applications.
No,
It's
you just send an
true.
email. There's no application. I'm not gonna create a Google form for this intrusive TA. No, okay. I'm gonna put an email address, and then you guys can send it. What TA do? That's a great question. Final, as I just said it, but you basically will do two things.
Sure.
Basically, update the website, and then you will be typing some assignment description, and then you'll be typing some notes. That's basically what I would.
TA is
Your
short
email
for-
notification.
TA is short for teacher assistant.
True. All right.
Is your email notification? Wait, no, never mind.
All right.
Your email. Just type your email and hurry up.
He never even showed us his email.
Oh my God. Okay. All right. Guess what? Here's my email. Here's my special email designed to you guys. Only you guys have access to this email.
You only do.
I mean, I just recently quote unquote bought this email.
It
So-
says HTTPS
Notifications at
the kitchen.
What? This is my email address.
Hurry up and just post it in the chat. I thought you said I was gonna be the.
we gotta send our
Google
applications.
cc-python.kitchen.me.
Kitchen.me?
Glitch.
Did you forget your email?
Glitch kitch.
You know what? I'm gonna type in the chat. Give up on typing it. Writing on my drawing pad. All right.
Boyuan at Boyu. You should show
Create a domain thing.
Boyu as a thick
Okay,
fish.
there you go. This is my email address. Just send me one email, okay? I will take the first two. And stop spamming freaking physics article to me. Despite it's privately messaged only, but still really annoying. But okay. But here's my email, boyan@boyan12.me. Just send an email, state your name, and then yeah, that's basically it.
I want to
I sent you an email.
Our first two will be to TA, okay? You have to do stuff though. Okay. All right. So here is a Hangman. Here's the Hangman. So basically what's going to happen is that, take a look. So we have the init function. The init function going to have taking 3 arguments. Well, 2, dictionary and optional argument chance. And by default, chance equals 7. So do I have to specify this? By default, chance is 7. And then you guys see you got something like self.word equals random.choice dictionary. So dictionary is this. this is the dictionary file where it's containing all the possible word. And then basically this is just going to load the dictionary and return every word as a list. So this, you're gonna pass a list here. Letter guess is basically every letter that the user have guessed. Letter incorrect is letter that's user guessed, which is incorrect. The string, this string is a list that by default, starting is underscores. It's a lot of underscores. In fact, it's based on what's the length of this word. So if the length of this word is 5, means 5 letters, it's gonna have 5 underscore, 7 underscore, etc. And so the chance just equals to chance. All right. So first, have a check word. Check word basically compares the string that you somehow parsed it to just like a regular string. For example, you parse it from like underscore H underscore O to something like actual letter. So A, E, H, I, O. For example, that's a word, which I'm pretty sure it's not a word. But you need to compare these two and see if these two are equal. If these two are the same, that means the user gets a word, then return true. Otherwise, return false. Okay. So that check word, define letter. What this is going to do is basically it's going to define a letter. And this is going to take a look. This is going to have a letter. A letter in here can just assume it's a valid, which means this is just a single letter in a string, for example, A. And then basically what you need to do is you need to go ahead and first check if the A is in the word. If it is in the word, then you need to somehow modify the string so that wherever it has A, now instead of underscore, it's going to show A. And then if it's incorrect, well, then you need to subtract chances and then put it in letter incorrect. All right. Finally, you have play. Basically, what's going to happen for play is going to connect everything together. And then basically you're going to input, ask user their input a letter, and they're going to validate them as well. So basically, is it a single letter? Is it just a single letter, or is there something else? So validate input. And then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and call this, and you need to go ahead and call the print string. So print string just going to go ahead return a string that is nicely have a 1 space between them. For example, change a list to there's 1 space between each underscore basically. And then I basically need to call this print string to print out the string. Call this letter function, print out any letter that user might miss, print out their chances, and just call this repeatedly unless either chances is 0 or the user guessed the word. Does anybody have any questions?
No.
Do you guys all
I have a question off topic. How did you get your domain name?
What?
Now it's an oogly glove.
What do you guys just said?
How did you get your domain name?
How did I get my domain name? Go to namecheap.com. Not sponsor, we're not affiliates, but yeah, namecheap.com. It's not really cheap. I mean, it's $20 per year. I mean, still pretty cheap, but I mean, I can't afford it, but okay. So if there's no question, I'm gonna stop sharing, and then you have rest of the time for cheat chat as I promised you. Okay, you guys can chat.
Cheat chat, you say?
Yeah.
So time to bring out the answer sheets.
All right, what's the answer to the problem? What's the answer to the hangman thing? It's cheat chat time.
Oh wait, I'm gonna post the link.
What link? Kessler, don't post a link. If that's a YouTube link, don't
Post the link right to me.
No, you don't post it. Oh, luckily I said you can only send to a host. That's
Oh
great.
wait. Oh, another way to do it.
Oh no. Discord.
Yes. You can copy.
Oh no! Oh my God. Kessler. Kessler, there you go. Kessler. Don't attempt to do it. Okay, don't. I'm gonna change the security settings right now. You cannot rename yourself. All right. Okay.
Somebody, please, somebody at least please have copied the link.
No, nobody can rename themselves anymore. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm gonna check who is the TA. Okay, can check who is the TA. All right. Andrew, and who is Andrew? Is Andrew still here?
Wait, there's another way.
Is Andrew still here? That's what I care the most. Andrew?
Wait, there's another.
Okay, great. All right, you are a TA. The second TA is going to be Ethan. You are another TA. All right. Great.
Okay. So
Oh, you don't have to do the homework?
So all
What?
you need to do is.
You don't have to do the homework. You said we didn't have to do the homework. You just have to update.
Yeah, you don't, because you're gonna help me update the website.
Let's go!
What's going on, everybody? This is Fry. So today, simple as this is, we are bringing the best back in the entire day, other than maybe Cycle Cap, and I actually sort of built this deck in order to counter Cycle Cap. This is, of course, about Tristan Hyphen. It's been one of the very best since the beginning of the game, and I really am. This new deck list is going to be...
Okay, David, you can share your screen.
And I mean better.
Right, David, you can share your screen. Sorry, Kessler. David, yeah, you can share your screen.
What was that?
I don't know. It's called a meme.
David, feel free to share your screen.
No, wait, Kessler, I have a way. Kessler, just one letter by one letter, tell me the link.
Okay. So, wait, I need to, all right. So it's H.
No. Okay.
Haha.
Let's see. Okay, David, what's your question? David, what's your question?
Search up
What's your question,
how to make
David? I'm
how
sorry.
to make,
David, what's your question?
how to make Hangman with
You
Python.
can just say it. You can just say it.
It just every time I enter Python class.py, it doesn't do anything.
Okay.
Search
So
up-
what you need to do is this. You need to type print in front of it. So notice that. Okay, Sean, could you not annotate? Could you? Thank you. So basically, you need to add print and parentheses. So use print function on line 9. Okay, print it out basically.
Search up how to make Hangman with.
So basically, just say this. So just say print
In Python?
Polygon area. I'm so sorry. Could you people stop annotate for just 1 second, please? David, you can add that in front of line 9, and it should work.
Okay.
Thank you. Print. Yeah. All right. Ooh, Sarah actually remembered my actual email address. That's great. Great job, Sarah. Oh my God, Sarah actually write a little short paragraph. Yeah, Sarah, you can share your screen as well. Don't. Sarah, could you share your screen? Thank you. Don't.
Ha ha ha. The secret has now been.
You spell okay. Could you scroll up so you can see the full code? Because you spelled Polygon wrong. And then here's what you need to do, okay? Since I don't have much time left, but first you need to remove these. And then you need to go ahead and remove this. You know what, Sarah can be a TA as well. I think you are the only person who will write like the most on your application. But yeah. And then unindent line 12 and line 13. So select line 12 and line 13 on and oh, stop annotate, please. So yeah. Okay. So no, indent line 13 two times. So press tab 2. Okay. On line 12, indent 1 time. Indent 1 time. Okay. Now let's try this again. Okay, maybe you need to add a space here. Add a space here. So between def and the first underscore, press a space. Yep, try this again. All right, and then just add a parenthesis at the end of the area, a pair of parentheses, and then at the end of area. A pair of parentheses, not just one parenthesis. Okay, stop annotating, people. I'm serious. No, don't wrap them in two, but move. Okay, so just add another pair. Left parenthesis at the end of area. Right. No, add left parenthesis at the end of. No, so it's Polygon. Whatever. So it's dot area parenthesis.
So
and then,
quiet right now.
Do you kind of understand what I'm saying? Yep. And then another parenthesis to close it. Yep, right there. Group correct plus run. And there you go. You see the area. All right. So I think class time is over. So thanks for attending this class and see you next week. I'm gonna email to all TAs who applied. Actually, who want to be a TA, who can be a TA.
Bye.
Bye.
Satellites into orbit and sending them to other planets requires very.
But should we be co-hosts or something if we're TAs?
It makes sense. Yeah, that's